This is my old Honda Odyssey RB1. It's got over 386,000 K on the clock. Here I start her up and check the power steering. Sometimes the power steering is noisy. Fluid levels look okay. This is how a power steering pump works. Let's take it for a drive. When the engine spins, the serpentine belt turns the power steering pump. You can hear the power steering pump with the engine here. The loose watch strap is to help with the steering. The noise is worse as the steering wheel turns to full lock. The biggest telltale is whining. If you are by yourself and you still hear whining, it may be the car. The whining is present with the engine noise. Whining may decrease as the car warms up. Let's see the fluid now. Possibly an air leak or raise. Often the air leak is here, where the lower hose joins onto the power steering pump. On the Odyssey RB1, the lower hose connection to the pump is easy to get to. On many cars, the connection is almost under the belt. Ours is easy to access by removal of the engine cover. This is where the lower hose bolts onto the power steering pump. Place some towels or paper to soak up any power steering fluid. This one nut holds the connector in place. Use a 10mm socket. Remove the bolt. The O-ring is likely to be leaking. In this case, the O-ring just slides onto the tube. The tool we use is called a fingernail. We search through the neighbour's O-ring kit. We test fit the borrowed O-ring. Doesn't feel that tight. We don't want more air leakage. Grab your plumber's tape. We use about a 10cm length. Wrap it around the original O-ring. Tweezers make the job easier. Make sure the wrap is flat with no kinks. We want to make sure it is all sealed. Plumber's tape will make sure there is a good seal. Lubricate the newly taped O-ring. Lubricate with the closest power steering fluid you can find. Here's some. Nice and tight. Don't over tighten this bolt because the fitting is plastic. Let's see if it has made any difference. Immediately less noise. The whining is all gone. Let's go and check the reservoir. Bubbles are gone. Thanks for watching.